Hello everyone, my name is Spencer Connell. This is my peer presentation for Chapter 16, Assignment Number 3. Assignment number 3 says, you are in charge of the marketing program for a travel agency, hotel, resort, airline, cruise line, restaurant, DMO, or other hospitality and travel organization. A period of traditionally low sales is approaching, and you have to decide to use a sales promotion or promotions to boost sales. What techniques would you choose and why? What steps would you follow in planning, implementing, and evaluating these activities? How would you tie the sales promotions and merchandising in with advertising, personal selling, public relations, and internet marketing for maximum impact? Before we answer the question, what techniques would you choose and why? First, we have to establish the company and its promotional objectives. For this assignment, I just chose an example, a travel agency looking to boost Caribbean packages sold in the off-season. The next question I'd ask is this promotion geared towards travel, trade intermediaries, customers, or both? Special communication methods, special offers, or both? Special communication methods. This is one of the two divisions of sales promotions and merchandising groups. Special communication methods is a specific avenue, a specific promotion that a promoter can use to make a new line, a unique line of communication with the customer. So for the techniques, I chose specialty advertising. This would be maybe an article in Travel and Leisure magazine on the Caribbean, maybe about Caribbean food or things to do in the off season, or maybe it's just an advertisement specifically promoting this trip. Travel and trade show exhibits. This would be another great special communications method to use. A little more expensive, but you can really talk to your guests, and you can really show off your company as well as the promotional mix you'd like to use. Educational seminars and training programs. This would be, say, you're bringing in an expert from the Caribbean just to get the public really excited about maybe the off-season trip, just so they're aware that some really amazing things happen in the off-season, that kind of thing. Visual aids for salespersons. This is also a great communication method. You could really kind of use beautiful pictures to promote the area. You can bring in really big signs that say discount, buy now, that kind of thing. And then special offers is the other group of promotion. This includes any short-term inducement to a customer, travel trade intermediary, or sales rep, but it does require them to act within a certain time period. So this might say something like, you get this special offer, but you have to buy within this time period. So for this technique, or these types of techniques, I chose price offs. This is just a simple reduction of the cost. Very simple but straightforward, and people love to save money. So that's a great way to to promote. Travel trade inducements, this would be more geared towards the industry. You'd be getting your companies that are involved with you, travel agents, give them some promotional tools, some incentive to really sell those packages. Coupons. I've noticed while doing this assignment, BOGOs are huge in the cruise industry. I see a lot of the off-season sales say something like, buy one ticket, bring your friend for free or bring your loved one for 50% off, something to that nature. Contests are a great way to promote. This is more skill-based. It could be something like a top salesman of the year, or maybe it's something a little more trivial that everyone can do just to get people involved. Sweepstakes is more luck-based. You put in your business card, you sign up for their promotional advertising, and then you get entered into a sweepstakes to win a cruise. What steps would you follow in planning, implementing, and evaluating these activities? I'd follow the steps from the book that are laid out here. First one is set sales, promotion, and merchandising objectives. This includes, whatever you're promoting. What are you promoting? Why are you promoting it? How will you get there? And all those good things. Choose between in-house and agency development. This would be based on the size of your company, your budget, the direction you want to go. These all kind of play a part in whether you do it yourself or have a third party develop it for you. Establish tentative overall budget. It's important to do this towards the beginning. Just have that overall budget, the all-inclusive budget in mind. That way, once you get into the specific details, you can divide up that budget and really make it accurate and efficient. Consider cooperative promotions. Do you want to involve another company, maybe someone in the trade, maybe someone out of the trade, such as a credit card company, something of that nature? That can help increase your overall budget as well as reach a larger amount of clientele. Select sales, promotion, and merchandising techniques. That's kind of what the question's about. Discussed that in the previous slides. Just put a lot of research and planning into this step. Select media for distributing sales promotions. Do you want paper media, such as newspapers, magazines, or are you looking for something more interactive, a little more expensive, like television sales, or television media, internet marketing, that sort of thing. Decide on timing of sales, promotions, and merchandising. This is obviously important. You don't want to reach out to your customers too early. They won't even be thinking about the trip. You don't want to promote too late, otherwise they'll have already booked with someone else or a different trip. Pre-test sales, promotions, and merchandising. Obviously, you put this much time and effort into this promotion, you want to make sure it works. Do interviews, group interviews, talk to people, see what they think, get their reaction. It's all very important if you want to have this promotion be successful. And then finally, prepare the promotion and merchandising plan and budget. You want to lay it out, you want to execute it properly, make sure everything's smooth and well thought out. And then measure and evaluate the promotion and merchandising success. You want to do this from the very beginning of your implementation to the ends, and then evaluate it afterwards as well. How would you tie the sales, promotions, and merchandising in with advertising, personal selling, public relations, and internet marketing for maximum impact? On the advertising side, I would personally tie in promotions with an advertising campaign promoting awareness of the Caribbean off-season. Just have a preset goal in mind. You're wanting to make your customers or your potential customers aware that there's all these great deals, these great things to do in the off season, all these benefits to not booking in high season. How would you tie the sales promotions into personal selling? You could bring travel agents to the trade show. I chose a trade show because it's a great way to interact with clients. It's very nice for personal selling in this regard. So bring a travel agent. They can showcase the trip. They can showcase the benefits, the discounts, all that good stuff. Then they can use visual aids and pop displays along with their knowledge and persuasiveness to close the sale. And how would you tie the sales promotions into public relations, publicity, and internet marketing? First off, educate the public. Make them aware that there's all these great things going off in the off season in the Caribbean. Maybe a cooking class, Jamaican jerk chicken, something like that, just to get them excited and having fun and know that there's all these great things you can do in the off season. Price offs for community. You could do something simple like that. If you live in this area, just a little thank you for being part of the community. Get them involved. Give them a little discount as well. Maybe they're a student or a veteran, something of that nature. Goodwill. So that'll also be a great idea. You could donate to a cause as well as purchase your ticket, and with that purchase you get premiums, free things, or you're entered into a sweepstakes, something of that nature. That way the customer feels good about the purchase, they know they're helping a cause, and they get to go on vacation. And then I see this a lot on websites all the time, consistent discounts. I just always see this: book online now, book within 24 hours and get this rate. Just a hook for the customer to close the sale and go on vacation. So to wrap it up, know your company's promotional objectives, know what you're promoting, know what you want to do with it. Choose the techniques based on careful research. Make sure you don't choose it because it sounds good or everyone else is doing it. Make sure it has value to your company. Follow promotional steps ending with an evaluation. These steps seem pretty important, I'm sure they are, just to make sure your promotional mix is effective and efficient. Finally, make sure the promotion ties in with the overall IMC. So in this case, you want to make sure the advertising, the personal selling, any kind of marketing plan you have in place already, that this promotion goes along with that and helps support the business overall. Thank you.